With increasing interest in beauty, dermatological procedures are increasing, and non-invasive procedures that makes daily life possible immediately with least pain are expanding. Acne improvement, pore minimizing, tightening skin, and improving melasma are what women want the most. What would it be like to have the latest non-invasive treatment that solves these various skin problems at once? Jiitoning is the answer. Dermabrasion is a skin resurfacing procedure by removing the outer layer of the skin. The primary dermabrasion procedure is performed to the depth of the papillary dermis, removing the skins with imperfections. As the skin re-epithelializes, the second dermabrasion procedure can be performed in order to achieve further smoother skin. The concept of abrading the skin or removing the upper layers for skin rejuvenation dates back as far as 1500 BC, when Egyptian physicians used a type of sandpaper to smooth scars. The father of dermabrasion is generally considered to be the man who also invented multiple needle electrolysis, the German dermatologist Ernst Kromayer. In 1905, he published a report describing the use of motor-driven circular knives to gradually remove layers of the skin, and later introduced the improved practice of using rotating burrs powered by a dental drill. The first type of dermabrasion procedure was performed by German dermatologist Ernst Kromayer's publication in 1905. It states using a motorized circular knife to remove the skin layer gradually. From the method of using a rotary burr used in a dental drill to today's procedures, dermatological lasers such as CO2 laser and erbium laser have been developed to minimize patient discomfort and various side effects. Recently, procedures that apply the function of dermabrasion to pigment improvement procedures have been newly developed and used. There was a procedure called toning, which helped to destroy pigments, but it did not have the characteristics of the dermabrasion. Sadly, the result of this was lower than expected. Later, a procedure that fulfilled the needs of both pigment improvement and dermabrasion using carbon pigment and laser was developed. It was well received by the market, but there was one flaw. Due to carbon bursts during the procedure, it resulted in fumes during the procedure. With Jiitoning using micro gold cage particles as a bursting agent, the procedure won't cause any fumes, making the procedure safe and efficient. Simple Stick launched Jiitoning using the latest nanotechnology. Jiitoning incorporates 3 functions simultaneously. First, by using black diamond, it can destroy the pigment in the epidermis, providing the effects of dermabrasion. Second, micro gold particles induce collagen production by the photothermal effect. Lastly, Q-switched ND-YAG laser also helps with destroying pigment. First, use brush to apply Jiitoning evenly on the skin. Jiitoning only gets to stratum lucidum, the second outer layer of epidermis. During the primary laser procedure, the black diamond bounces off in response to laser light energy, exerting a microdermabrasion effect of smooth and constant depth. The painless microdermabrasion effect removes melanin from the stratum corneum, making the skin transparent and increasing the absorption of whitening ingredients. Also, it unclogs the blocked pores and increases the absorption of acne-enhancing substances. The primary treatment will improve acne and freckles. You can also see that the gold cage, which did not respond to the treatment, is applied thinly to the skin. Begin the second laser procedure. Laser irradiation of gold nanoparticle surface plasmon applied by the skin accelerates local heat generation due to the electron emission and scattering, increasing the overall surface temperature. Q-switched ND-YAG 1064 nanometer wavelength laser generates resonance of electrons around gold microparticles. As a result, the gold particles dissipate heat. Second treatment will result in tightening and pore minimizing due to gold cage's thermal effect. Gold nanoparticles have different heat-generating properties depending on their shape and size. The shape of a shell like gold K, which is used to treat acne, and the shape of a gold D, which is used to treat melasma. In addition, you will soon be able to meet various products of indication according to the shape, such as rod lifting and hair loss.